Hello guys, this is a quick review of one of my favorite perfume. It's Valentino Rosa Verde and it's 125 mils. I think this is a perfume. But unfortunately, wala na ho siya online. I think they've stopped doing this. Kaya I'm so lucky I bought 3. And you know me guys, kapag may favorite akong perfume at nagustuhan ko talaga, I will buy extra. So, I'm so glad I had 3. So, hindi ako magwo-worry pag naubos na to. This is actually my 3rd bottle guys. And again, I'm not good in explaining the scents. And personally, I love light perfumes, yung malakas maka-fresh, yung flowery. At syempre, kapag na-appreciate siya, kapag suot ko siya, tas maraming nakaka-appreciate, I know to myself that it's all worth it. Kaya this one is my 3rd bottle na actually. My ratings for this one is 10 over 10. And so happy, it has 125 mils. Yun yung biggest bottle niya. Yun lang po. So, 10 over 10 siya. I think this is made in Spain. Okay? Yun lang po. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. God bless you all. Bye!